if you want to customize the control center on POCO C85, what you need to do is you need to simply open notifications to find the first part of control center, and then swipe down again to open the full panel of the control center. Next, we need to go to the last page, and the last option in the control center should be edit. So of course, we're gonna tap on it. Over here, we can see everything that we have added so far, or everything that has been added for us. And then below we have things that are not added yet. So in case you want to add something, you just need to press and hold your finger on that item and then drag it on the upper side. There you go. So this is how we can add something to the list. And of course, if you want to remove something, you can just simply do pretty much the same thing. Just drag it outside of it after holding for like a second. Of course, we can reset the control center and restore every default button that has been added by default usually. And of course, we can tap on and done in order to save our changes. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.